If you want to get the fastest cellular data, you can always switch over to 5G or enable 5G on your iPhone. However, keep in mind this does drain your battery a little bit faster than if you were on 4G or LTE. Let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on the Cellular option. You can see at the top here is cellular data, and we're going to choose where it says cellular data options to make sure it's forced to use 5G. So just tap on that and then tap on voice and data. You can see I have currently set to LTE. However, I can switch this to 5G on, which means it will use 5G whenever available. However, it may reduce the battery life. Or I can choose 5G auto if I want it to intelligently switch to 5G when I need it, when I'm streaming videos. However, it will downgrade to LTE when I don't need it. Next, we can tap the back arrow here and tap on data mode. And you can choose on here, allow more data in 5G. And it says allow more data in 5G, may prefer 5G over Wi-Fi and use it for software updates, iCloud backups, and higher quality media. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.